Good morning. Now I will teach you how to rewire the AC outlet of computer power supply. First, insert the wire into the core, pair it core. Insert it twice, like this. One and two, just like this. Okay, to filter the noise. Now connect one wire to the line 1. Like that. Now connect the switch wire to line number 2. Just solder it like this one. Then connect also the wire to the switch. Like that. Now, this is the complete rewiring of AC outlet of the computer power supply. Thank you very much for watching. Now, solder the wire here. On the fuse terminal, the line to terminal. Like this. Now this completes the wiring. Please don't forget to attach the ground wire, the green wire, to the ground. Thank you very much for watching.